I saw a YouTube video showing how to whiten the overall wheel width of the Arrma Granite. So I bought the needed RPMA arms and needed turnbuckles M4x45. I removed the original stock A arms from my Granite in the front and installed the new RPMA arms and also modified the existing turnbuckles with the new longer turnbuckle. I only installed the front A arms and will now order the rear RPMA arms for the rear RC installation soon. I took the whiter Granite for a test drive and all went well. The Granite was more stable and didn't flip over. An excellent upgrade, and I will install the rear A arms as soon as they arrive. See parts links below and link to the YouTube video for help in installation.